students, welcome to our YouTube channel of APS Academy. Students, today we are going to study unseen passage. First of all, I'll tell you the difference between seen passage and unseen passage. A seen passage is already read by you, which means that you know what is in it. But in an unseen passage, you will be given a paragraph which is not much familiar to you and you don't know much about it. What is the difference? After that, you will be told how to solve the unseen passage in English comprehension part. First of all, you will be reading the questions and how you will solve those questions, how you can do it in a more faster way. And after that, we will also discuss about the other approaches in of the attempt of solving unseen passage. Unseen passage. It is comprehension of an unseen passage means a complete and thorough understanding of the passage. Main object of comprehension is to test one's ability to grasp the meaning of a given passage properly and one's ability to answer in one's own words the question based on the passage. So, here are some reading comprehension strategies to follow to get more marks in reading comprehension. Let me tell, it comes of 10 marks in your examination, one very short or all your optional, some options may be given, and in others you will be given questions you have to attempt. It may contain 2 marks or 1 marks. Okay, so here reading comprehension contains eliminate the words or phrases, find your strengths first, improve your vocabulary. Students, this is very important because unless you are in a constant reading process, you will not be able to enrich this part. And whenever you are doing the reading, always have a pen or a pencil with you so that you can underline the words which you are finding harder and do a mental math quickly. Most reading comprehension are complex, so you have to focus your reading speed. So how should you attempt reading comprehension? First step is read quickly. That is the skipping part, which I have already told you in note making that we are following the process. And build your vocabulary, focus. Time management is too much. After that, you have to get prepared for reading comprehension, and then practice makes a man perfect. I'm telling again and again, students do lots of practice, develop a method by which you can do it in a more faster way. And then there are some tips for solving unseen passage. First step and most important step is read silently. Do not read aloud because you will be disturbed and you will not be able to concentrate on the passage. Read the entire sentence together to make out the sense or meaning. Read the passage thoroughly to determine the main idea before you look at the questions. Don't panic about the words you do not understand. Try to make out the meaning of the word you don't understand in context to the passage. Sixth step is go through the questions carefully and read that part again which contains the answer. Answer must be relevant and to the point. Write complete sentences as answers. Try to write the answers in your own words, and if required, they can be copied from the passage. Keep to the order in which the questions appear in the test. See, here I am telling you for the example, that is solved example. Here question is read the passage below and answer the questions that follow. When we enter New York Harbor, the first thing we see is the Statue of Liberty. What impresses the most? This is the sentence. That means from the first line only we are able to judge that this passage is about the Statue of Liberty. So, afterwards, when we are going to the next passage, what we are seeing? We are seeing again here about the main thing, Greek goddesses of the past, but also working men and women of the family and other things. And again In the last line, we are seeing Americans celebrated the unveiling of the Statue of Liberty. That means this is the passage about Statue of Liberty. The questions: why was the Statue of Liberty given as a gift to America by France? The answer to this question is the Statue of Liberty was given as a gift to America by France to mark the 100-year anniversary of American independence. Now we come back to the passage where we have taken down the answer. We will just find where why was the Statue of Liberty given as a gift to America by France. From the passage itself, we have to choose the answer. Now students, this is the unseen passage that you have to solve. This is for your practice so that you can get a more deeper knowledge of unseen passage. Thank you students.